Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve another popular Leetcode coding interview question 266 palindrome permutation. So this is another popular freshers and junior level coding interview problem. So we are going to solve this problem today and implement our Java solution code. So let's start. Given a string, determine if a permutation of the string could form a palindrome. So they have given us a couple of examples. So COD cannot form a palindrome, it's false. AAB can form a palindrome, it's true. CARE can form a palindrome, it's true, right? So let's understand this problem. So AAB is true, right? So AAB is true. So basically you can form a palindrome like this, right? ABA. From these characters you can form a palindrome, right? ABA. So that's why it is true. For CODE, there is no way you can form a palindrome with these characters, right? So that's why it is false. And care RAC also you can form a palindrome, right? So this itself is a palindrome, right? If you read it from, so palindrome basically, so this is, let's take this example, right? CARE RAC, right? RAC. So this itself is a palindrome. So palindrome is a string that reads same from front to back and from back to front, right? So it is reading same, right? CARE RAC, CARE RAC, right? So it itself is a palindrome. Okay, so we have to find out if we can actually create a palindrome from these given characters in that word, right? So this is what they are saying. So how can we solve this problem? So what we can do to solve this problem is, let's take this same example, CARE. So we'll start going through these characters one by one and we will start adding these characters into a set, right? If the character does not exist, we will add it, right? So C is not there, so we'll add C, right? If A is not there, we will add A. R not there, we will add R into the set. E is not there, we will add E into the set, right? Okay, so far you understood this, right? So we are here. So we added all these four characters, C, A, R, E, right? Now when you reach R, R is already existing, so we will remove it from the set, right? We'll remove R from the set. Then we'll go to A. A is already there, so we'll remove A from the set. We'll go to the C. C is already there, so we'll remove C from the set. So what remains into the set is just one character E, right? Okay, so this is a character. So now after we like explore this string completely, we will check if the set has one or less character, then it can be a palindrome, right? It can form a palindrome basically, correct? If it has one or less character basically, right, then it can form a palindrome. And why this logic works? Because that is a definition of palindrome, right? For example, this part, left part and right part, in case of odd length, right, odd length, if they have same characters, then you can put anything here, right? It will still be palindrome, right? So that's why we are removing it from the set. And after you remove it, only one or zero characters left into the set, it means that you can actually create a palindrome, right? Okay, so I think you got this idea clearly. So the time and space complexity for this code will be order of n. So let's take a look at the Java solution. Is very simple for this one. So can permute palindrome is a method where implementing s is given to us. This method returns boolean, right? We'll create a hash set which will hold characters, right? We'll start going through the string character by character in this for loop. We'll start reading the character s dot character at I, this character. If it's not already in the set, if it's already in the set, we will remove the character, right? If it's not in the set, we will add the character, correct? This is what we just saw, right, in the example. At the end, we will just check the size of the set. If it is less than equal to 1, then it means that you can actually form a palindrome from those characters. Otherwise you cannot form a palindrome, so you will return true or false. So let's take this example, CARE. Make sure it gives us correct answer. So we'll execute this code. So it's true, which is a correct answer. So if we try another example, A, B, AB, still you can form a palindrome. So it still be true, which is correct answer. If I put here CD, you cannot form a palindrome, it should be false. It's false, which is correct answer. If you do this one example COD, again it should be false. False is the correct answer. So this is working correctly. So this is how you can solve this coding problem on Leetcode 266 palindrome permutation. So I'm going to add this Java code in my GitHub repository. I'll give you the link of this code so you can check it out. There are lots of other important algorithms and Java solutions which are already implemented and available there for you. So don't forget to check them out. They are quite important ones from interview perspective. If you like the Java solutions in the GitHub repository, consider giving it a star on the GitHub repository. That would be great. If you are new to this channel, we have a very important coding interview related playlist for you. It is called as Leetcode and Leetcode Solutions. It has more than 200 most frequently asked very important coding problems. Those are the questions asked by Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo many times in the interviews. Very important problems. Make sure you go through them, understand those problems well. If you go through those videos, you are going to learn a lot about data structures, algorithms, problem solving, logic building, Java programming, and coding. So it will also help you learn lots of new techniques, lots of new ways of different varieties of problem solving. So make sure you check out those solved coding problems. The name of the very important playlist here is Leetcode and Leetcode Solutions. Now, if you are a fresher, junior level developer and you want to practice more coding problems, to help your practicing purpose, we have created 3 other playlists for you here. The names of those playlists are Codeforces, CodeChef, AtCoder. Codeforces, CodeChef, AtCoder. All in all, more than 800 different varieties of problems are here to help your interview preparation and learning process. If you like this Java solution, how we have solved this problem, uh, palindrome permutations, then please give it a thumbs up to the video, give it a like to the video, subscribe to this channel. Subscription is very important because that's how the videos can reach to other people, so others will also be able to watch and learn from these videos. On this channel, we have created lots of helpful videos to help you in your learning process. You can learn lots of data structures, computer science related algorithmic problems by watching these videos. They can also help you prepare well for your interview rounds. Those solved problems includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, breadth first search, depth first search, cadence algorithm, binary search algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm, Dijkstra algorithm, sliding window algorithm. There are also lots of important data structure questions solved and explained with code that includes stacks, queues, priority queues, hash table, hash map, tree set, hash set, linked hash map, linked hash set, arrays, linked list. All those problems are explained with code step by step, so you can clearly understand the solutions and you can clearly understand the logic behind those solutions. So make sure you check out those solved problems. They will definitely help you in your interview rounds. On this channel, there are lots of other videos also we have created to help freshers and junior level developers. For example, frequently asked Java telephonic interview questions, SQL programming questions to the freshers, where they will give you database tables. They will ask you to write SQL queries where you have to use different database concepts like inner join, outer join, left and right outer joins, aggregate operations, group by and having clauses, different where clause conditions. Everything is there in those videos explained so that you also will be able to solve those kind of SQL programming interview problems and write those kind of SQL programming queries. Make sure you check out those videos. They will definitely be helpful for you in your interview rounds. If the videos on this channel are helping your learning process, you are learning new techniques, more problem solving along with Java programming and coding, then please leave your comments, your messages, your feedback below these videos. Your messages, your comments, your feedback are highly appreciated, very important and valuable for us. It increases our motivation to create more quality content videos. So do leave your messages and feedback below these videos. You can also leave your questions or suggestions below these videos. Um, Also click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. We often create and post videos to help others in their interview preparation and learning different computer science related concepts, and help others also learn how to solve different coding problems, and help others also prepare well for their interview rounds using Java. right? So check out those videos, they will definitely be helpful for you. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and most importantly, keep your learning process going on continuously. And thanks for watching these videos.